Are you seeing these strange messages when you try to log into Hamster Kombat? Wondering if you've been banned, restricted, or if Hamster Kombat has pulled a fast one on us all? Well, I've got all the answers for you right here in this quick and crucial update. Let's dive in. So, first things first. If you're using an Android phone, you'll notice the app isn't working. The same thing happens on iPhone or even on the Hamster Kombat website. It's error messages everywhere. Now, before you start to panic, let's get some perspective. Hamster Kombat has a whopping 239 million users. With that many players, it's unlikely they've just vanished or scammed us. Now, let's break down why I firmly believe Hamster Kombat isn't running off with our data or money. Scammers typically follow a pattern. If Hamster Kombat were planning to scam us, we would have seen red flags by now. They'd probably start by rolling out new, dubious packages or asking us to invest more money into suspicious schemes. Think about it. Scams often involve requesting more funds, claiming it's for a better gaming experience or exclusive perks. They might promise high returns or special items if we invest a little extra. But look around, none of that has happened here. Instead, what we see is a company communicating openly about the issues and working on maintenance. They've been upfront about the situation on their official Telegram channel, which is a good sign that they are addressing the problem seriously. So, take a deep breath. There's no need to worry about them disappearing with our money or data. This looks more like a temporary hiccup rather than a scam. We just need to be patient and stay tuned for updates. The next big question on everyone's mind: are you banned or restricted from Hamster Kombat? This is a concern for many players, especially with all the error messages popping up. First off, Hamster Kombat has been very clear in their policies. They have repeatedly warned that anyone caught using illegal methods to mine in the game would face penalties. These illegal methods could include using bots, hacks, or any other form of cheating to gain an unfair advantage. But here's the good news: if you've played by the rules and haven't engaged in any shady activities, you should be in the clear. There's no need to worry about being banned or restricted if you've been honest in your gameplay. The current issues seem to be part of a broader situation. The company has addressed these problems head-on. On their official Telegram channel, they've confirmed that they are aware of what's going on. They've stated that the game is undergoing maintenance, which is a routine part of managing such a large platform with millions of users. This maintenance period is crucial. It's likely that the developers are using this time to fix bugs, improve server stability, and possibly clean up any irregularities in the user base. It might even include identifying and penalizing accounts that have broken the rules. So, rest assured, if you're seeing error messages, it's probably just part of this temporary maintenance phase. The company is on it, and they're working to get everything back to normal as soon as possible. Just sit tight, follow their updates, and you'll be back in the game soon. Now, let's talk about what this maintenance might actually involve. It's likely part of a larger cleanup operation aimed at maintaining the integrity of Hamster Kombat. With a massive user base of 239 million players, it's crucial for the developers to ensure fair play and a level playing field for everyone. Here's the thing. In any popular game, there's always a small percentage of players who try to exploit the system. These players might use illegal methods like bots, hacks, or other cheats to gain an unfair advantage. This not only ruins the experience for honest players but also undermines the game's economy and balance. The maintenance we're seeing now is probably Hamster Kombat's way of addressing these issues head-on. By temporarily taking the game offline, they can thoroughly investigate and identify accounts that have been using these illegal methods. This might involve analyzing data patterns, reviewing reports from players, and using sophisticated tools to detect cheats. So, if we see a significant drop in the number of users from that staggering 239 million, it's likely because Hamster Kombat is doing a much-needed cleanup. They're weeding out the cheaters to ensure that only legitimate players remain. This is good news for all of us who play by the rules because it means a fairer and more enjoyable gaming experience. In summary, this maintenance is not a cause for concern but rather a positive step towards improving the game. It shows that the developers are committed to maintaining a high standard of integrity and fairness in Hamster Kombat. So, hang tight, and let's look forward to a better, cleaner game environment once the maintenance is complete. So, no need to panic. If you've played fair, you'll be back in action soon. They've reassured us that they're on it, and I'll keep you updated every step of the way. Make sure to join our Telegram group for real-time updates, and of course, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on any news. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Share this video with your fellow Hamster Kombat players and smash that like button if you found this helpful. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and game on.